Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher for today, being 26th June 2024. So the Morse code for today is miner, MINER. So the first thing you do is to click on DailyCipher here. So when you click on DailyCipher, you start with the first letter, which is M. For the first letter, you do two long taps. That's dash 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 dash. Okay, that was a mistake. You do dash dash. Remember, to get the dash, you do long tap. To get the dot, you do one short tap. So we've gotten the M, which is two dashes as two long taps. To get the I, you do two dots, dot, as two short taps. For the N, you do one dash and one dot as one long tap and one short tap, dash and dot. For the E, you do just one dot. For the R, you do one dot, one dash and one dot, one dot, one dash and one dot. To get the R, that's it, miner. So you click on take the price. So that's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on bell notification to get more updates, more crypto updates, make money online updates and other airdrops. Thanks for watching, guys.